Hi, maths students. Today, I'm going to be solving the following equations. They're all listed here on your left-hand side. Um, these were sent in by one of my students at the maths surgery, and these are some of the questions that they currently are tackling online from schoolwork. So I'm going to dive straight in and let's see if we can get some clarity. Right, so question number one. Oops, let me get my pen going. Question number one, 6 brackets t plus 5 brackets equals 12. Okay, so the second line, what you want to do on the second line, remember you've got to open up the bracket, okay? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open up the bracket and this 6 is going to go across. So my next line is going to be, let's keep the bracket there for a moment because I want to do it kind of not in slow motion, but I want you to see what is going on here. All right, is equal to 12 divided by 6. So that means that t plus 5 is equal to 2. So that simply means that 5 minus 2 is equal to minus t. If you noticed, what I've done is I've brought the 2 over here, so it becomes a minus 2, and I've taken the t over here, so it becomes minus t. Now I'm left with 3 is equal to minus t, so that means t is equal to minus 3. So that's 1 down and 5 to go. Okay, math students, now we have question number 2. Question number 2.
One eternity later.
C minus 8 is equal to 1. So next line is simply C is equal to 1 plus 8, because all I've done is move the 8 over to the other side. So that means that C is equal to 9. And there you go. 2 down, 4 to go. Okay, the next sum we have is question number 3. 10 brackets S minus 10 is equal to minus 169. Okay, the second line is going to be 10s, do that S a little bit better, 10s minus 100. Okay, so equals minus 169. Okay, so the next line will be 10s is equal to minus 169 plus 100. Yeah, so the next line will be 10s is equal to minus 69 9. So the next line will be S is equal to minus 69 over 10. Yeah? And you'd possibly just leave it somewhere there. You wouldn't go any further because you're dealing with a minus here. It's a minus fraction, so you'd probably just leave it exactly where it is, unless they've asked you to take it to its lowest point, and then you would do, it would be minus 10 into 69 goes 6, and then you would have 9 over 10. But unless they've asked you to do that, you'd probably leave it right there. Okay, so that was question number 3. 3 down, 3 to go. Alrighty, question number 4. Question number 4. 3, then you have a bracket, then you have an F minus 4 is equal, and then close the bracket, close the bracket, and then you have equals minus 15. So the first thing you want to do is the next line, you will have F minus 4 is equal to minus 15 over 3. So your next line will read F minus 4 is equal to minus 5. So the next line will read F is equal to minus 4, minus 5 plus 4. So that means that F is equal to minus 1. If you notice coming down, all I've done, I've taken the 3 around, so it's come underneath, it sits underneath. That's the first port of call. Second port of call is I do the sum. The third port of call is I move minus F4 over this side, it becomes plus 4. Minus 5 plus 4 gives you minus 1. And that is question number 4. 4 down, 2 to go. Alrighty. Question number 5. Okay, so what about following the process? So we have minus 5, okay, brackets, 2t plus 8 brackets is equal to minus 80. All right, so the first thing you want to do is, second line is going to be 2, undo. Second bracket will be minus 5 times 2 is minus 10. Minus 5 times plus 8 gives us minus 40. So that's 10t, sorry. Let me just undo that bit there, make it a bit more neater. So that's going to be 10t because minus 5 times 2t is 10t. Sorry about that. And then you have minus 5 times 8 gives you minus 40, okay? Which is equal to minus 80. Alrighty? So that's where we go at the moment. The next line is going to read minus 10t is equal to minus 80 plus 40. Okay? So your next line will read minus 10t is equal to minus 40. Okay? You've got minus 80 plus 40 will give you minus 40. All right? So your next line is going to read t is equal to minus 40 divided by minus 10. Therefore, t will be equal to 4. And the way that's done, very simply, we multiply out the brackets as we do on this line here. And then on this line here, all we're doing is moving numbers. We had minus 40, we moved it across, becomes plus 40. Yeah, minus 80 plus 40 gives you minus 40. Now you have minus 10t equals minus 40. Minus 10 is in a times sum here, so when it comes over here, it becomes divide. And then the two minuses cancel themselves out, and 40 divided by 10 gives you 4. That's question number 5. 5 down, 1 to go. Question number 6 is as follows. We have 5 brackets 4w plus 9 brackets over 4 equals 10 equals minus 10. Right, so your next line, there should be a bracket here. Yeah, and it's all divided by 4. Okay, so the next line will read 4w plus 9 over 4 is equal to minus 10 over 5. So next line will read 4w plus 9 over 4 is equal to minus 2. Next line will read 4w plus 9 is equal to minus 8. And so the next line will read 4w is equal to plus 1. No, it won't. Minus 9 minus 8. So 4w is equal to minus 17. So then w is equal to minus 17 over 4. And you'd leave it there, but if you did want to take it to the next level, it'd simply be minus 4 and 1 over 4. But you'd probably leave it right there where it is. Alrighty, and that is all of the questions. Thank you for sending them in, and I hope you found the video useful.
Hi guys. You can speak.
A few moments later.
Hi guys. Before you click off this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Bye.